Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? We're continuing our turnaround series in which we pick a character to draw from different angles, in a sense creating a model sheet of that character. Last week we drew Sonic the Hedgehog, and this week I thought it only fitting that we draw the character Sega was targeting when they came up with Sonic. Of course, I'm speaking of Super Mario. Mario, of course, is also about to star in the upcoming Super Mario Bros. Movie in April, with the great Chris Pratt as the voice actor of Mario. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw the character turnaround of the mustachioed plumber from Italy, Mario. We're going to draw our Mario turnaround step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Mario, much like Sonic, is about 3 heads tall, or just under. In other words, however tall his head is, not counting the top of his hat, his entire body is just under 3 of those. Alright, so let's draw the roadmap for our turnaround of Super Mario. So there's our roadmap for our Super Mario turnaround. Now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Mario's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our Super Mario turnaround. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of our Mario turnaround. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of our Mario turnaround. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for our Super Mario turnaround. And that's how you do it. There it is, our turnaround of the most successful video game character of all time, Super Mario. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn Mario before, let alone a turnaround of him, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing the turnaround of Super Mario. And with that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your turnaround drawing of Mario. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.